Welcome to study class Mammalia with three representative animals, rat, shrew and bat. Let us begin with rat. Rat belong to phylum Chordata, group Craniata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, class Mammalium, genus Rattus and species is Rattus. So the rat which we are studying now is Rattus rattus. Silent features of the rat. Rattus rattus is commonly called as black rat. The body of rat is slender with thick set fine fur mixed with stiff hairs. It is usually greyish or brownish or black in color with lighter colored ventral belly. Body is divisible into 4 distinct regions: head, neck, trunk and tail. Neck is short region joining the head to the trunk. Trunk is the largest part of the body. It is divided into thorax and abdomen. Trunk bears 2 pairs of limbs, that is forelimbs and hind limbs, and it also bears certain apertures. Tail is often longer than the body of this rat. The preferred habitat of the rat at outdoors are roof rats nest in high places such as trees, but sometimes in burrows under the plants. At indoor, they nest in high places in structures, but sometimes in basements, sewers or under buildings. Life cycle of a rat. Gestation period of this rat is 20 to 22 days. Winning 21 to 28 days. This rat attains sexual maturity in 3 to 4 months. Total life may not exceed 2 years. The life cycle of rat is around a year to 18 months, during which time the female will typically breed up to 6 times, with the average litter being 7 or 8. Breeding occurs throughout the year, but especially in the spring or autumn season. Types of damage caused by the rat. Roof rat gnaw and eat stored food. They transmit diseases by droppings and urine, bites and the fleas and mites in their fur. The next animal is shrew. Shrew is again one of the important mammals. It belongs to phylum Chordata, group Craniata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, class is Mammalia, family is Sorcidae and genus is Sorex. So we are studying shrew species which all belong to genus Sorex. Silent feature of the shrew. Sorex is commonly known as shrew. Shrews are small mammals with cylindrical bodies, short and slender limbs, long pointed snouts, small ears which are often not visible, and scent glands located on the sides of their body. It is reddish brown and pale in color, measuring about 7.5 cm in length, excluding the tail. The tail is about 5 cm in length. Their eyes are small but are usually visible in the fur, and the ears are rounded and moderately large. As their eyesight is generally poor, they rely on hearing and smell to locate their prey. The first pair of incisor teeth is long. Lower canines are absent. This shrew has got 26 to 32 teeth. These 26 to 32 white or red tipped teeth are not replaced during the animal's life. The milk teeth are shed before the birth of this animal. The sexes are not immediately distinguishable as the testes are retained in the male's abdominal cavity and they do not descend. Shrews are highly territorial animals and only socialize with one another in the mating season. Females have 3 or 4 litters of 5 to 7 young ones between May to September. Its preferred habitat is urban areas and gardens, deciduous woodlands, grasslands, mixed woodlands and arable lands. The diet of the shrew is Their main food source is insects, but they will also eat earthworms, small slugs, snails, especially in damp areas. In comparison with the mice, shrews have a very short lifespan, and it is uncommon for a shrew to live for more than 12 months. So, shrew's lifespan is about a year. The next mammal which we are studying is bat. It belongs to phylum Chordata, group Craniata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, class Mammalia, order Chiropatra, genus Chiropatra. There are different species of rat, different species of bat, but we are studying all the common species, silent features of the species which comes under the genus Chiropatra. The habitat of the bat. Bat lives almost everywhere except for some islands at the Arctic and Antarctica region. They prefer warmer areas that are closer to the equator, and they can be found in rainforest, mountains, farmland, woods and cities. Bats are the only flying mammals. Like all mammals, they feed their young ones with the milk. So the flying mammal is bat. Bat are small in size and the body is covered with soft fur. The mouth of the bat is similar to the one of the rat or fox. They have large pointed ears and grey or brown fur. Bats have long arms and hands with specially long fingers. These are connected to the legs with membrane, which form the wings of this bat. The muscles in them make it easy for a bat to fly. When taking a rest, bat usually hangs upside down with its claws connected to a hard surface. Large pinnae of the bat provided with flags, this serves as a tactile organ and make the power of hearing more acute. Eyes are small and the vision is weak as the visual rod cells are poorly developed in case of bat. Bats have strong flexible wings and large ears that detect prey using the echolocation. Although various bat species eat different kinds of food, the vast majority of them consume variety of insects such as moths, beetles, gnats and crickets. In this respect, bats' nocturnal behavior provides certain advantages to them. In addition to the ultrasonic sound used in echolocation, bats also emit other sounds possibly to communicate or to indicate emotions. Bats exhibit unique mating behavior not seen in other animals. Male and female bats meet at hibernation sites called as hibernacula, where they breed. In many species, the males and female roost separately except when mating. In migratory species, mating occurs in the fall and winter. In May or June, the female congregate in large colonies and give birth. Most of the species bear only single young one per litter, but others may have 2, 3 or even 4 young ones per litter. Among young bats, mortality rate is very high. Lifespan of bat is about 20 to 30 years. What is economic importance of bat? Fruit and nectar eating bats are among the most important seed dispersers and pollinators of tropical rainforest trees and plants. Many economically important crops such as bananas, avocados, vanillas and peaches are dependent upon bats for their pollination. Bats are valuable subjects for scientific and medical studies. Insectivorous bats are essential in controlling mosquito population as well as other pest species of insects. Bat guano, it is a waste material of the bat. It is called as the guano. It is rich source of saltpeter, that is potassium nitrate, which is used in the production of gunpowder and explosive, and it is an excellent fertilizers. So this is how we have learned about 3 representative organisms from mammalium. Thank you.